Did you know there's a scientific reason behind the Indian tradition of eating with hands? It's not just culture, it's biology. Our fingertips have nerve endings that help the brain sense the temperature and texture of food, preparing the stomach for better digestion. And here's the surprising part. Touching food actually activates digestive enzymes in our fingers, which helps kickstart the digestion process. Eating with hands also connects you to the food you're eating, making the experience more mindful and satisfying. So yes, this ancient Indian tradition is backed by science